Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a 4 size in Excel, easy method. Open the workbook and click the Page Layout tab, then choose Size and select A4. Next, set orientation to portrait or landscape, adjust margins, and use scaling to fit all columns. Preview with Print Preview to confirm layout and adjust column widths as needed before printing to ensure accurate A4 output. Setting margins and orientation helps your sheet look professional on A4 paper. Start by selecting portrait or landscape based on your data, and then choose a margin preset like normal or narrow. If needed, pick custom margins to fine-tune top, bottom, left, and right spacing. Adjust header and footer margins so titles and page numbers don't overlap content. Always check Print Preview to confirm everything fits neatly on. Scaling ensures your worksheet fits A4 without cutting off columns or rows. Try setting width to 1 page and height to automatic, or select Fit Sheet on 1 page if content is light. Beware of tiny text when forcing too much onto a single page. Resize columns and rows first to improve readability, and then apply scaling. Always preview to verify that headers, footers, and content appear correctly before sending to the printer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.